Hi everyone.
Urban Company repairs.
Let me just quickly tell you what the plan is for today. We just had news. We just had that folder news at 6 p.m. So it just got over 12th March. Okay, so right now I'm actually looking for a buy trade on gold using our liquidity strategy. Let me just quickly explain that to you guys. Daily, the last break was towards the upside on the daily time frame. If you are getting confused, just go on the line chart and you can see it for yourself that this was the last break. So daily is bullish. And now let's talk about 4 hour. 4 hour is also bullish because 4 hour is also bullish. So I don't even need to look at 1 hour, but I'm still seeing it. 1 hour is right now might turn bearish. So it's okay. Okay, so I want to take a buy on this. Where was the London low? London started at 130. So London low has been swept by the open candle. Everything has been swept. We have London highs pending and we have a lot of equal highs. So this is something very perfect. I want price to close above this. We can even look at it on the 5-minute time frame. So what I'm looking for is that price goes and closes above this. Then I can take a trade and then book 1 to 3. Maybe something like this. I will let you guys know whenever I take the trade. Let me just 5178.884. 8.884. Let's see when that happens and then we will take a trade. Either that, or if the price sweeps below this and then gives me a pattern like this, even then I can take a buy. So let's wait for it and let's see what happens. That is my first thing. Hello everyone. Okay, so let me also see what's happening on USD Canadian dollar. Yeah, I mean, this is the only possibility I have for today. I'll see NAS also when it opens. Let me just quickly put this on my Instagram so more and more people can take it. Do you guys have any doubts? Did you understand the analysis that I just did? I'm just posting Insta story. Looking for buys on gold. Yes. कैसे हैं आप? I'm good. How are you? Hello, 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 hello everyone. ठीक है, तो gold, I'm very much interested in gold. Hopefully, I gotta set up on gold today. Okay. मैं कल ES में मेरा ऐसे लेके मार्केट फॉल किया. क्यों हुआ? आप लाइव में नहीं थे? मैंने भी तो लाइव में दिखाया था आपको कि कहाँ एंट्री करा. क्या गलती की आपने? आपका लॉस क्यों हुआ? पहले ये बताओ. Also guys, this is my Cointracts account. It's a crypto raw firm. I'm checking it out. I am very new to crypto, but I just want to see how this works. So I will also trade on this. If you guys are interested, then you can also make an account on this. The discount code is also given in the description. Let's see. Let's do some analysis on BTC. Daily is bearish on BTC. 4-hour is bullish. 1-hour is also bullish. Interesting. So I actually can't take any trade on BTC, but the London lows have not been swept, so I don't know. Good evening. Hello. Hi. I think NQ can retrace till the TDO. Let's see about NQ. See, right now it's just 6 p.m. I'm not going to trade NQ until it's 7 p.m. How do you determine higher time frame buyers? By marking supply and demand zones. If you are confused, then you can again go down and go on my YouTube channel and watch the video. It's called Source Trader Room, Trading Room, Liquidity Strategy. Go and watch the entire playlist. You'll understand how I create my bias. Sup, buddy? Hi, Sanya. Do you trade Euro USD? Yes. Good evening. Good evening. Okay, let me just mark my zones on BTC. Price has been going up on BTC. Right now, price is taking care of the supports and then going up. The 30-minute time frame. Okay, so the price is respecting this particular supply over here, I guess. So we can actually look for setups on BTC today. Ma'am, Telugulo kuda content upload cheyandi. Chala members search for genuine content. నేను ట్రై చేస్తున్నాను కానీ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ తెలుగు అకౌంట్స్ ఎప్పుడు డిలీట్ చేస్తుంది. సో ఐమ్ ట్రైంగ్ టు ఫిగర్ అవుట్ ఏం చేయాలో. Good evening, ma'am. Which is the best time to trade NQ and ES? The best time to trade is when the US market opens, which is the New York Stock Exchange. So you can trade it at 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Can you please discuss about the artist platform footprint settings? Yes, I can, but you can just download my workspace. I've sent it on Discord. Hi, Soumya, I'm waiting for the giveaway account Women's Day. Shabishri. Yes, please give me time. It will take around a week. I've sent your data to the company. It will take some time. Give me a week. Can you make the time frame 5 minutes? Sure. 5 minutes on what? Are you talking about gold or BTC? Let me see what's happening here. These are equal highs, by the way, on gold. I have some sort of equal highs. I'm just marking it and keep it. I'm really excited to get a trade on gold today, guys. Come on. Here, okay. Also, something interesting about Cointracts is that you can now trade XAU USDT, which is basically gold with respect to USDT, which I think is pretty good. It's literally the same as USD. So I also like to keep that on Cointracts. Let's try to pass the challenge with this. Thank you so much appreciated, Sham Sundar. Are you the same person who is claiming the giveaway or no? Hey, Hindi में बोलो, please. Okay. Can you open the chart of Euro USD and share your views? ठीक है. So, यूरो देखते हैं. मैं आज यूरो पे शॉर्ट्स लेने का सोच रही थी, बट द इशू विथ यूरो इज अभी भी एशिया का हाई आई थिंक स्वीप नहीं हुआ है. ओ सॉरी, दिस इज सम अदर चार्ट. यूरो यूएसडी में द प्रॉब्लम इज अभी तक एशिया का हाई और लो स्वीप नहीं हुआ है, तो एशियन हाई इज स्टिल पेंडिंग. तो आई डोंट लाइक टू ट्रेड यूरो यूएसडी until the Asia is taken out. So that's why. But London has been swept, so अगर हम यहाँ पे ट्रेड लेते QM के बाद तो it would have been good. So no, I have nothing for euro today. My coffee is here, one sec. Nothing on euro from me. Nas I'll trade by 7. Okay, so I have gold also, and I'm gonna take a trade on gold. Let me just count the pips. If it breaks over here, 1600, then maybe I will take trade here. This is how much? 20 pips. It is a lot, but this is what, Wednesday 11 March. It's okay. So I will take a trade like this. Do not take the trade right now. I'm not opening the trade right now. I'm waiting for the setup. Let's see, guys, what will happen if I enter directly from here. It will be a 1500 pips. That's kind of crazy. So I will just enter from this particular imbalance if it closes. This is where I'm going to enter the trade from. If it closes. It hasn't closed yet, so wait. Hi, I sent you a message on Instagram for dual streaming. What is your Instagram? I'll see it right now. Okay, guys, again, the reasons why I'm taking this trade, if the candle closes, is that पहली बात है कि daily का direction है bullish. Here there was a bullish break. कल का previous daily low has also been swept, and then going on the 4-hour time frame, 4-hour is bullish. Everything is bullish. I have so much of pending liquidity. I have also marked equal highs, and and besides equal highs, there are also London highs left. So that's why it's interesting for me. Okay, let the price go and close above this. Only then will I take a trade. I will let you guys know if I take a trade. Okay, so the alert, I just got the alert on my phone. So I will take. Mom, yellow light is the. Now I'm going to take the trade. If you guys are taking the trade, it's up to you if you want to enter right after this, or you also want to wait for a retracement. I will wait for. Okay, the price has closed now. I hope it really does come down a little bit. Otherwise, it will be really sad for me if it does not retrace. It needs to come down, really. Is it taking out the kill zone high? Yes. If it's taking the kill zone high, it's a little bit risky now. Hopefully it does not take that out. Nope. I don't think price is going to retrace if it's going to keep going up like this. But I'll still wait. What if? What if? Hopefully. Let me just see what happens if I enter directly. I'm not taking the trade right now. I'm just checking what it's going to look like. Okay, so let's go on the 4-hour time frame. This is Tuesday, 10th March, 2 days ago high. Interesting. Let's see. Hopefully the price is going to come down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe we can target these highs and then take a trade directly for a 1, 2, 3. Yeah, maybe like entering over here, which I don't like much. Let's see. Let's wait and see. So I think the price will retrace somewhere until here. Let's wait and see what happens. Let me also figure out how to take a trade on Cointracts. If I want to take a trade here, limit order 5171.23. $5171.23. Let's see how much of SL is that. Stop loss is just $40. Okay, so the account is 50K. I want to risk 2%, which is like this. And yeah. Let me check. Okay, so now I think we are about to get the entry. Hopefully. Let's see. Are you directly entering or waiting for confirmation? I am waiting for the limit order. I have already set my limit order. Okay, price is coming near our entry. Hopefully. Logic behind the trade. I just explained the logic. You can just go here and then drag it behind and rewatch the live stream if you joined late. Hey Soumya, how are you? I'm good. My account is in 5% drawdown currently. I shifted to trading one setup, one pair, one time frame. Any advice for me? If your account is in 5% drawdown, firstly cut down your risk to 0.5% until you are down by -1%. The moment you are down by -1%, then start risking -1% again. What setup and what pair do you trade? I need to know more about that before I can say anything. Yeah, I think I am entering directly in some time. So I have entered into the trade. It's better to enter from this imbalance, but I don't think the price has plans of going down. So I just entered 5159.8. Let me see what this is. Advanced. I need to risk $1,000. Okay. Buy long. Confirm. So let's see how this goes. So I entered directly here and I want to book 1 to 3, which is somewhere around here. So let's see how that goes. Five two two 6.89. Five one six 1.07. Okay, 5107 160 5160. Hmm. 5161.65. Okay. So let's see. Five two three 1.93. Why is this? I'm so confused right now. So that is the trade which I have for today. Hopefully. Okay, so a lot of new people have joined, and you're asking me what is the reason for buying. First of all, I did a little bit analysis on the time frames. So the daily time frame was bullish, the 4-hour time frame was also bullish, and the price was going towards the upside, which is why I wanted to take a trade. And speaking of liquidity, the price has swept the London lows and the Frankfurt lows. Frankfurt lows are starting from 12:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So the London lows are swept, Frankfurt lows are swept, New York Killzone lows are swept, and then we got a QM. So I entered here, stop loss below the low, and 1 to 3. Yes, it is a lot of pips of stop loss, so I could have waited for a retracement, but let's see. Even if I get 1 to 2, I'm happy. If you guys are taking this trade, please manage your risk. And if you want to understand this strategy in detail, why I took this trade, then go on my YouTube channel and you can watch the playlist called Liquidity Strategy, and it's 14 hours worth of content. Make sure to watch that so you'll understand why I am taking this trade. I am selling. I think gold will sell. Let's see. Setup is setup. If it's a TP, then good. If it is a loss, then also it's okay. Doesn't matter. Should I risk one contract on ES with 50k account? Questions are like English. You can risk one contract or you can risk contracts on MES. Maybe 4 contracts. आज मार्केट बहुत स्लो है, हम तब से एंट्री पर ही हैं. होपफुली प्राइस जस्ट गोज अप लाइक दिस. देखते हैं. In another 15 minutes, the US market opens, then you can trade using order flow. So let's see. Okay, let me read the questions. How can we get live liquidity room class? Oh, hi, understood, ma'am. I think gold will sell. If anyone wants to purchase a FundingPips account, you can use my coupon code SOWMYA. It's given in the description for a discount. If you want to buy Apex, Lucid, or any other prop firm, Alpha Futures, then you can use the coupon code SOMYA or TOFU, TOFU. You get about 25% off on Alpha Futures. You're getting about 90% off on Apex. So yeah, you can use that. Okay, I am muting the live for some time until we hit TP or SL. Okay, so this trade was an SL. That's okay. We can again give another chance to gold because the setup is still valid. We still have the equal highs here and we still have London highs here. The reason why this might have happened is because the kill zone highs were swept. So if that was still pending, then it would have been better. Give me a second. Hello? Hello? हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी ओके हाँ ओके थैंक यू okay so this if the price goes and closes above this I am going to give it another try my 184.360 do you guys have any doubts? I don't understand why influencers teach ulta seedha. They also know that what they are doing but to earn money. नींद कैसे आती है? नींद तो बहुत अच्छी आती है. मैं फ्री में लोगों को सिखा रही हूँ एंड फ्री में बहुत लोगों का फंडेड अकाउंट्स पास होते हैं. नींद तो मुझे अच्छी आती है. Your mean threshold crosses. Hey Soumya, I'm ICT AMT trader too. Can we connect? Yes. I think we have some news or speech. Every asset is dumping. Really? I think the news is over. But let's see if there's some new news. No, we don't have any news. The news was only at 6 p.m. and it's over. I will give this another try if the price goes and closes above this, because the only reason why price went down was because New York kill zone highs were swept. So what happens when price sweeps one liquidity, it goes till it goes and sweeps the other liquidity. So I think it's still very much valid. So let's see. Trump tweeted. Let me check market AI if that is the case. Fundamentals made easy. Okay, position is closed. All right, it's gonna be 7 p.m. now. I can trade my order flow setup. Let me just connect this. Okay, guys, let us see. Someone said that Trump tweeted, so let me go on Market AI and check the Trump tracker. No, guys, I don't think Trump tweeted anything right now. It's okay right now. There's a moderate score. There is risk. There's moderate risk because of the geopolitical tensions, but it's okay. Let's see. Okay, so I'll quickly recap the trade which we took on gold today. Yesterday, there was a setup on NAS using our liquidity strategy, which gave us 1, 2, 3. Today, we had a setup on gold, which gave us a -1. It is not that deep. We had 2 TPs this week, the one previous to that. 2 TPs and 1 SL, which makes it 3% plus 3% minus 1%, which is a 5% profit this week. So there's nothing to be very sad about. You could avoid this trade because you entered in balanced auction regime when the market will be in price discovery. Yes, I think to collect all the stop losses it wicked down. I like Trump's voice. Good for you. Okay, I'm waiting for price to go over this and then we can take a trade. Until then, I'm muting myself and doing my analysis on order flow. I will talk to you guys once I take a trade. Hello, hello everyone. Can you hear me? Can you guys see my screen? The zone you marked, it's gonna break. Let's see. Tell me, do you have any ambition for Robinson Trading Championship? Hopefully soon. मैम किन कॉन्सेप्ट्स का यूज़ करते हो? मैं यूज़ करती हूँ ऑर्डर फ्लो ट्रेडिंग और आईसीटी concepts. So this is the zone which I've marked. I will take a buy here if there is some good. Oh my god, wait, I don't think you can see my screen. Okay. Okay. I will take buy if the price moves from here. This looks like a good place for me. There's a lot of volume involved over here as well. But if this breaks, then I will look only for sells. So yeah, let's see. We are inside a demand zone, inside Asia. Little bit high risk, so let's see only. Let me tell you what the zone is and why I've marked the zone, okay? So mainly if you go on the ES and if you go here you can see a particular demand zone on the 5-minute time frame. Similarly, if you go on 30 minutes, then you can see that this whole thing is a demand zone. But the low of this is 6709.25. The low of this is 6707.25. Okay, we are going below. The best part of using order flow is that we will not enter into any random support and resistance region before our order flow confirms it. So that is the best part. Let's see. Speaking of that, let us see what's the next zone. Interesting. So we have broken down the most important level, which means that this area can now act as a resistance region also. But we are inside a 12-hour demand also. I've checked it. We are inside a very major 12-hour demand, and there is a 4-hour demand right here as well. Okay, wait. Battery is low on my order flow software. So maybe if the price goes and touches that zone, we can look for buy trades. Mom ni charger ida lekapothe vereda illa unnat nida L shaped. Okay, so let's hopefully get a setup on EOS today. If I get a setup today, then I'll pass my MFFU account. So here the price is going up. Okay, there is a demand zone here also. This was a P shape. Was there a 5-minute demand zone over here? Let me check. No. Okay, daily is bearish. 4-hour is also bearish. So we can look for a down trade. I marked a very nice zone here. I want to take a shot if the price reaches there. Let me see if there is a zone before that. This is also a supply. This could also be a good zone because we have already gone below this level. So we can take a short right from here. This is a supply. Today's market is very choppy. If the candle closes red, I will take a trade right here. Okay, I think I will take this trade. It's very high risk. I'll break it down after I take this too. Oh wait, can you guys see my screen? Now I think you can. Okay. So this is one trade. Let's see what happens. I am a little bit skeptical about this. Oh my god. Let me just full screen this. Is the screen clear? Can somebody let me know if the screen is clear or not? Okay, we have a 1-to-1 now. Book your profits if anyone's in the trade. just quickly book your profits because now we have 1-to-1 already. Beautiful. I'm not booking it because I'm going high risk because this one is my evaluation account. So I'm not going to book this. But since we do have 1-to-1, if someone's in the trade, just book it. You don't need more than $1,000 in a day. Okay. I will book profits. What a trade, guys. I will explain the logic once I close the trade. I'm just repeating it. If someone is in the trade, book your profits or trail your stop loss. Big trade greater than 250. You see this? You have a big trade on sell, which means that probably this is a very good trade. Come on. Imagine if this reverses now. I'm gonna cry, guys. All right. Amazing. TP done for the day. That was a great trade. I hope you guys have been watching the live stream. I hope you guys have been seeing the trade. So it will be easier for me to understand. Sorry, it will be easier for me to make you understand. Okay, now I will explain to you guys how did I take the trade. Let me just set up my OBS for a sec. Okay, so I'll quickly tell you guys why I took that particular trade. Mm, Okay, so the reason is very simple why I took today's trade. Firstly, I went on the year's chart, and on the year's chart, I was looking at the chart, and the chart was continuously going down. The trend was towards the downside. So that was the first thing. Secondly, I drew this particular demand zone. The demand zone was already broken, which gave me a confirmation that price might want to go down and it might respect certain demands. And then I spotted this particular demand. Price came into this demand, tapped in over here, and this is where I moved into my order flow. And coming to the order flow, then I got this red candle inside the zone, and there was this red candle with nothing much. I wanted a confirmation. Remember, this was happening inside my zone. And then I had another red candle with 704 delta. Location is met, trend is bearish, and I got this. So I entered below this, stop loss above the high, easily captured 1 to 2. It's that simple, guys. Exactly what we did yesterday as well. Location, footprint chart, opposite delta. How many of you understood this trade? Let me know. It's literally very simple, guys. There's like nothing to. Hey Soumya, what do you think about the current gold situation? Right now, what I think about gold? No setup for me. Speaking of NAS 100, no setup for me. Understood the logic of it. Okay, guys, great. I will keep doing this every day. I'll keep explaining to you guys the trades which I'm taking. What the fuck? What? Simple stuff, basic stuff. Location, footprint chart, and opposite delta. So in today's live trades, I gave you two signals. The first signal had minus 1%. Quickly revising all the trades which I had given you today, I gave you two trades in the live today. The first trade was a loss, which means you lost minus 1%. The second trade gave you plus 2%. So today we had a net profit of 1%. Yesterday we had a net profit of 2%. So this week we are up by 3%. Okay, so the first trade which we took was on gold. The trade on gold was a buy right after this because the liquidities were taken of the London session. Price went up in our favor and then suddenly started going down. After that, I was waiting for another setup because that didn't happen. So this was the liquidity strategy, which I've posted for free on my YouTube channel. Go and watch the entire playlist. This gave us a loss of 1%. The second trade was the ES trade, which gave us 2%. So that's it for today's live. कम डेली एक दिन में नहीं आएगा. Yes, एक दिन में नहीं आएगा. रोज आओ और डिस्कॉर्ड भी ज्वाइन करो. Okay guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. If you guys want to buy Alpha Futures or FundingPips or Apex Trader Funding or Lucid Trading, then you can use my coupon code TOFU or Soumya for a discount. Where should I learn this? You can learn this for free on my Discord and daily live streams. Bye bye.